Every image I have created is a piece of my story. Some out of tune, others perfect. Through photography, I have faced fears, doubts, and challenges. And I learned to see the world in a different way. But creativity evolves. And when you have an inspiring full-frame camera to create with, it grows. I work with the Nikon Z9, but I was excited to try out the new Z5II because it's so compact and full of features that come from Nikon professional Z cameras. I think it makes it a great creative partner. For me, pursuing my dreams means looking for what moves me. That moment when something clicks, when you hit the right note and everything starts to take shape. I always believed reality was what I saw in front of me. But creativity taught me there is so much more. With the Z5II, I can keep exploring, and so can you. Picture controls will let you play with color while you shoot, and the vari-angle screen is great for capturing unique views. Sometimes, all it takes is a shift in perspective. Creativity is no different. Light, color, movement. The Z5II makes it easy to adjust settings, and that lets me stay in flow. Everything can become art if we learn how to see it, and I feel like the Z5II can really keep up with my ideas. Even when shooting in challenging light, I could trust this camera autofocus system and image stabilization. Trying out new ideas can feel scary, but together with the Z5II, I was able to shape my vision perfectly. In low light, I have all the processing power I need to play with, and features like Starlight mode really help me to see what I'm doing. Creativity flows from within, but there are moments when the mind goes blank. With the Z5II, I felt inspired to keep exploring. The greatest challenge is not the outside world, it is the battle within oneself. I've learned that this flow of ideas is part of the creative journey. To keep things flowing, it's not about forcing yourself, it's about staying open to new experiences. And when you have a camera like the Z5II, you can trust it and really learn to fly. It's a beautiful new adventure in a full-frame photography. Are you ready to take your next creative steps with the Nikon Z5II?